Here are some easy home exercises that you can incorporate into your routine. These exercises don't require any special equipment, and you can modify them based on your fitness level. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Keep your back straight and chest up. Go as low as is comfortable, then return to the starting position. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping your body in a straight line. Push back up to the starting position. Lunges. Stand with your feet together. Take a step forward with one foot, lowering your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push off with the front foot to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other leg. Plank. Start in a plank position with your forearms on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core. Hold the position for as long as you can. Jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Bring one knee toward your chest and then quickly switch legs. Keep a fast and controlled pace. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your hands under your hips. Lift your legs off the ground, keeping them straight. Lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. Wall sit. Stand with your back against a wall. Lower your body into a seated position, as if sitting in an imaginary chair. Hold the position for as long as you can. Remember to start with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for exercise. Also, listen to your body and progress at your own pace. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise routine.